Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hajani, and I want to share with you a current trade on Bitcoin. I ladder in my entries because it almost eliminates any buyer's remorse. As I've explained before in another video in the past, buyer's remorse, let's say you bought everything at this point, okay? Or let's say you buy at this level. Okay. So price came up, you bought, but then price comes down. You're going to stress out a little bit. And you bought 100% of all your shares in that one single transaction. But if you had another rung that could be filled like this, you don't go through as much psychological and emotional stress. And you know that even if this third rung is filled, that you can then put your stop in, so your stop down to protect your little profits. But in the case of this, what happened was every rung had been filled. So that was an advantageous situation because what we were then able to do was initiate the stop first at 10,502, but follow the price as the rungs were getting filled and raise the stops to 10,951, and as this morning, we have raised it to 11,097 to do what? What am I doing? By raising the stops, I'm protecting my profits. That is imperative for any trader. You cannot be shooting from the hips, hoping to get a home run every time, because that will never be the case. That is a surefire way to bring your account to 0.00. How do I know? Been there, done that several times in my early days. Trading consists of singles, doubles, triples, and occasional home runs, if we use baseball analogy. And that is exactly what I provide on hedging.com. Most of my wins are singles, doubles, and triples, and occasional home runs. But in this case, I wanted to do a scalp. And as I presented for Litecoin yesterday, the scalp for me is an expectation of small return in percent and profit, but during an active correction. So let's see if I get stopped out. And whenever I get stopped out, I tap myself, pat myself on the back, because getting stopped out means I was able to protect my profits, preserve my capital, and increase the net liquidity value of my account today if I do get stopped out. In the event this keeps going up and rising, I will be following with higher and higher stops. I'm almost daring the market to stop me out so I can take my profits. What a great feeling that is as a trader to have. Very different mentality, very different emotional perspective compared to rapid fire day trading at 5 minute scales or even 1 minute scale trades. That doesn't work. That is not sustainable. You may get a few good trades every now and then, but at the end of the week, month, quarter, when you assemble all your losing trades and all your winning trades, when you do rapid fire trading, your losing trades will overwhelm your winning trades. At hedging.com, that does not happen because we have effective de-risking strategies and effective profit protection mechanisms. So I would invite you to come to hedging.com. Only, only gold members have access to my trades. Basically, you're trading with me. I'm posting my trades. I post every step, journalize every step by step, my entries and my exits. And if that is something that you are interested in, consider being a gold member, which will have a lifetime annual lock on your annual rates, as well as lifetime access to my trades. Because as soon as Bitcoin exceeds the 20K and setup and tags all-time highs, this trading service for new incoming gold members thereafter will not be included. I hope you find this to be helpful. Have a good day.